Hey there, truck lovers! Ready to elevate your ride? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best running boards for GMC Sierra. Whether you're a weekend warrior hitting the trails or just need that extra boost to get in and out with ease, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore top-notch options, crafted for durability, style, and functionality. From sleek designs to rugged toughness, you'll discover what makes each running board the perfect match for your Sierra. Stay tuned for expert insights, real user reviews, and all the info you need to make the best choice for your truck. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get started. Number 1. Oedro running boards and side steps enhance your driving experience with Oedro running boards, expertly designed to fit the 2020 to 2025 Chevy Silverado/GMC Sierra 1500 crew cab models as well as the 2020 to 2025 Silverado. These boards feature an innovative two-step layout, making it easier for everyone to access your vehicle, whether loading for a walkthrough or just getting in. Installation is easy with a drill-free setup that allows you to spend less time in the garage and more time on the road. Made of heavy-duty carbon steel, Oedro running boards can support up to 550 pounds, ensuring durability and resilience against deformation. In addition, the non-slip design prevents water and debris from accumulating, improving safety for all ages. Rain or snow? No problem! The two-stage textured black powder coating resists weather and provides exceptional protection against rust and corrosion. If you are looking for the best steering wheel coverage for GMC Sierra, Oedro is here for you, combining functionality and style to make every adventure a little easier. Upgrade today! Number 2. Kova 6-inch running boards are the ultimate upgrade for your 2007 to 2018 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500 crew cab, as well as 2007 to 2019 Silverado/Sierra 2500 HD and 3500 HD crew cab models. Designed to provide style and function, these running boards are a 6-inch wide step made of durable stainless steel, providing a secure, perfect base for getting in and out of your truck. The innovative, patented slider design allows for customization. You can adjust the fore and aft position to meet your specific needs. These running boards come complete with 4 sturdy brackets, each equipped with plastic caps, providing a sleek finish. Installation is easy. They snap right on with no drilling required and can hold up to 500 pounds, making them a reliable choice for anyone. Please note that they do not fit the 2007 Silverado 1500 Classic or any other diesel models. If you are looking for the best running boards for your GMC Sierra, look no further. The Kova 6-inch running boards combine practicality with OE style to make getting in and out of your truck easier and more elegant. Improve your driving and enjoy comfort like never before. Number 3. Oedro 3.5-inch rider running boards are the ultimate upgrade for your 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra. Designed specifically for crew cab models, these running boards offer an exceptional fit and stylish look that seamlessly integrates with your truck's profile. The distinctive oval tube design features a wider 3.5-inch non-slip step pad, providing greater stability and comfort when entering or exiting your vehicle. With a robust seamless construction featuring heavy textured powder finish, these side steps not only resist rust and corrosion but also maintain their rugged off-road appearance. Installation is a breeze, taking just 20 minutes with all necessary hardware included, no drilling required. These running boards are perfect for anyone looking to enhance their ride while ensuring durability and safety. Plus, with a no-hassle 5-year warranty, Oedro stands by the quality of their products. Elevate your truck's function and style with these best running boards for GMC Sierra and experience convenience like never before. Number 4. One9 CRB830110 Clutch running boards elevate your truck experience with style and functionality. Designed for 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado/GMC Sierra 1500 and 2020 to 2025 Silverado/Sierra 2500/3500 crew cab, these side step Nerf bars provide a 7-inch wide, textured black surface that not only enhances the rugged look of your vehicle but also offers rust resistance and extra protection. Featuring One9's patent design, these running boards are constructed from durable steel with indented louvers that ensure maximum traction, allowing you to safely step in and out of your truck. The boards are engineered to drain away rain, dirt, and debris, keeping the surfaces clean. The adjustable mounting position allows a customizable fit, while the no-drill installation makes setup a breeze, taking less than an hour. With a high-strength bracket capable of holding up to 500 pounds on each side, these running boards blend practicality with quality. Designed with state-of-the-art technology, the One9 Clutch running boards not only exceed your expectations but are also a cost-effective choice for the best running boards for GMC Sierra. Upgrade your truck today. Number 5. Oedro 6.5-inch running boards, the ideal sidestep solution for your 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500 Crew Cab, and 2020 to 2025 Silverado/Sierra 2500 HD/3500 HD models. Engineered for precise fit, these running boards offer a perfect integration that enhances your truck's aesthetics and functionality. Crafted with premium, triple-layer black powder coating, they are not only wear-resistant but also rust-resistant and UV-resistant, ensuring durability through any weather. The innovative design, featuring enhanced strength with a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds, makes them incredibly durable, while the strategically placed hollow holes prevent water and dust accumulation, a game-changer for maintenance. Installation is a breeze with the included hardware and clear instructions, allowing you to complete the assembly in just 20 minutes without any cutting or drilling. If you're in the market for the best running boards for your GMC Sierra, Oedro delivers unmatched quality and style, providing safety and convenience for every journey you take. In conclusion, the best running boards for your GMC Sierra significantly enhance both functionality and style. Whether you prioritize durability, ease of access, or aesthetics, there's an option that fits your needs perfectly. By investing in the right running boards, you're not only improving your vehicle's appeal but also its safety and convenience. We hope this guide has helped you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Share this video with fellow GMC enthusiasts to help them find the perfect running boards too.